Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to hack any game with Cheat Engine 6.4. Today we're gonna hack Mega Man 2. So, you have to select Nystopia X, put here put all, go exact value, you can put that. Go back, start the game, choose Woodman, like that. Now wait for the game to fudging start doing its thing, like that. So let's do this, let's jump, let's pause the game. So you have 28 lives in this game. Do first scan, like that. So when you do that, go back to the game, go ahead, lose some lives, like that. Now you have 24 lives. So go next scan, go back to the game, like that. Lose again 4 lives. You have 28 of them, 20 I mean. Do next scan, it finded 4 of them. As you can see, all the codes are the same. So you select them, you just select them all, you select them all, you paste them down, you go here, you put 28, so you can refill all your lives like that, as you see, but you'll still lose your lives. So in any of these, press on it on the square, so you'll get an X. Now go back to the game, and as you can see, you won't lose lives. This is gonna be everything for today, guys.